Okay, today we're going to be doing something different. In a few minutes, my brother will be pulling up here. I'm going with him to look at I don't know what I'm going to go look at. We got a 2-hour journey. I think we're going to go see a industrial grade tractor with a backhoe and a large loader bucket on it. My brother and I buy stuff, fix it, clean it, or whatever, flip it. That's another thing, we talk about on this channel. Whether it's cars, tools, equipment, there's money to be made out there. Anyway, he needs this piece of equipment for a project at his property. He has a large piece of property, kind of across the street for me. But we'll see what kind of journey this is. We could be going to look at a turd or a really nice find. It's somewhere about 2 hours from here in Kansas somewhere. I'll let you know more when we get in the truck and on the journey. See you in a little bit. Well, we got 25 minutes left to go, and we were going to stop for breakfast, but we had gas station food instead. This is my brother, Istvan, and we're almost there. When we get there, we'll start see what we got. Hopefully it's not a turd?
Yeah. Got this here backhoe, and she's all wrapped up in baling wire about it. Some bitch works great.
Yep. So, yeah, what one person says is excellent.
Road closed.
Oh, hold on. Road closed, so we have to figure out where the hell we're going. We'll see in a little bit. Okay, so what did we learn about when it says the road's closed?
It's closed.
It's closed. They actually took the road out. It was a creek or something like that. So now we're having to go 25 minutes around the block and through the woods to Grandma's house we go.
We did analyze, though, to see if we could make it around the bulldozer through the...
yeah, we were going to see if we could go around the excavator, the ditch witch, and everything else, but we couldn't. We would have fell off a cliff. So we'll see when we get there. My brother's wanting to turn around already.
Turn around already. I know it's going to be held together with baling wire. You wait and see.
Okay, hold on. We're almost there.
My goodness, this here tractor worked great for my great-grandpa. Bullshit, bitch.
We'll see you in a minute.
Generator on it, which I hate generators. And they got an alternator on it. And all it takes for the alternator...
This is the first thing we saw.
I drew a picture of it so that you could figure it out. But it's real simple.
That's interesting because the 2000s had a PTO and this does not.
Nope, it doesn't. But this does come off. And
Yeah.
you can add the PTO because it's got a plate over it underneath there. And what you got to add is you got to add the control box, the PTO on the back, and then of course the arms. And they have kits for those and yesterday tractors.
Oh yeah. I'm familiar with them.
Let's start up and see how have them lift and see how the pins are.
So let me ask you this: do they bleed? Do they bleed down?
It will bleed down overnight and sit down. I always set it down because I don't trust kids.
Yeah.
Okay, well, here, let me start it. I'll just show you. It'll make more sense once it's running.
Bucket's bent up too, isn't it?
You see the bucket's bent up?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Here's how hard it starts.
on the push down, see how the pins are.
Changed my mind. I want you to see it
Yeah.
all the way. Look at the rings on that thing.
Okay. It was.
A piece of shit.
I'm trying to be good on YouTube, but it's true. It was a piece of shit. And now we're on our adventure back. He had that Ford Ranger I took a little video of. I looked underneath it. It's from Kansas, too much salt. The whole frame shot underneath it. And so we're going back empty-handed, but still we had a nice trip. And who knows what we might see on the way home for further up, but anyway.
One has to be very careful about when someone says to you it's in great shape. What's great shape to you may not be great shape to me.
Yeah, I didn't talk while he was showing his stuff, but the bucket was ripped, almost the whole top ripped off. The frame was cracked. The front engine support where suspension goes was held together with, I think, Elmer's glue. And
Hydraulic pistons were leaking.
oh yeah, the rams are all the rams were leaking. Whatever.
Yeah.
But hey, it was a 1963. We gave it a try. On to the next one. See you next time. Okay, I lied. You thought the video was over. We're freaking lost. GPS keeps shutting on and off, and we're waiting for hearing this music of deliverance.
And we gonna get these two white boys from Tulsa, Oklahoma real quick.
Alright, well, when we're trying to find a place to eat, we might be the meal, but we'll tell you when we stop.
We're trying to teach money. Well, out here you can't drop a nickel. Because if you drop a nickel, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna tickle.